Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade salsa verde, a vibrant and tangy sauce perfect for many dishes. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of fresh tomatillos, husked and rinsed, along with 1 small white onion and 2 to 4 cloves of garlic. For a touch of heat, grab 1 or 2 jalapeño or serrano peppers, plus fresh cilantro, lime juice, and salt to taste. Next, we'll roast our vegetables to unlock their best flavors. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the husked tomatillos, peppers, and unpeeled garlic cloves on a baking sheet. Broil them for about 5 to 7 minutes per side until they are nicely charred and softened. This roasting step is key. It brings out a wonderful sweetness and adds a smoky depth that makes your salsa truly special. Now it's time to bring all those delicious flavors together. Carefully transfer your roasted tomatillos, peppers, and peeled garlic to a blender. Add the fresh cilantro, chopped onion, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and about 1 teaspoon of salt. Blend everything until it reaches your preferred consistency, whether you like it perfectly smooth or with a bit of a chunky texture. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Your homemade salsa verde is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic served with crispy tortilla chips, drizzled over tacos, or as a flavorful addition to enchiladas. To keep it fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for about 5 to 7 days. If you've made a larger batch, you can freeze it in a freezer-safe container for up to 2 months, ensuring you always have this delicious sauce on hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.